Hi everyone, it's Tula here, founder of the Areti Goddess Events, and I thought I'd jump on today because just to remind all the goddesses and everyone that you've got this, because I had to remind myself as well because I have been absolutely inundated by all these new friend requests and leads and messages, and I have to tell myself that I can trust myself, and so I'm getting on live to tell you the same thing as well. Because, you know, when you think about everything you trust yourself to do, and you may or may not know this, but just recently I launched the Skyrocket Leads Blueprint, and I thought, I'll use it myself. And my God, it's amazing, because the reason that I actually launched it is to add to the Areti Goddess Online Program, which is all about empowering you personally and professionally to start your own business, do what you love, and, you know, as an extension to that, but it's actually, you know, perfect for coaches, consultants, like any business. It's so easy, and so I totally recommend that. But having said that, yes, I have been inundated, and that's the reason my post today on social media was, you've got this. You can trust yourself just as you trust yourself to do things every single day. You can handle anything, goddess. And, you know, in other news, I am speaking at the Generation Women event here in Sydney. If you're in Sydney, come along. It's going to be great. Hundreds of women go to that. And I'll be speaking about getting older and age. Wow. You know, age is a number, isn't it? And just today, I was actually invited to speak at the Women's Summit in Japan, would you believe? So it's all happening here, and I'm really passionate about empowering you, goddesses. So I thought I'd just jump on and say hello. And I'm actually off to see a play at the Belvoir Street Theatre with friends at lunchtime, which is really cool. And that's one of the benefits, of course, of working for yourself in your own time, at your own pace, and if you're online, in your own comfort. Anyway, I don't even know if this is recording. So if it is, I'm just getting a message saying we're letting your followers know that you're doing a live. Everything keeps changing. I'm trying to keep up with technology here. But anyway, my big message today is, Goddess, you've got this. And I'll see you soon. I don't even know how to end this. Hello.